can see through that. And what you're gonna do is about start to go over here, about to know how you make a call. You can start to go to click here on the contact and click on to go to the chat, to click on the chat. Once you go to the chat, you can actually start to click on a site where it about to click on tools. Now start to slash call, but actually doesn't appear. So you need a plugin that's gonna help you, or apps that's gonna help you to start to chat. And maybe one of plugins that's gonna about to be keeping on is about Google Call. So I'm gonna start to click here on find apps, and then you're gonna start to type call. As you can see, gonna start to make a call, Google Call, and then you can actually start to use it. Maybe this is gonna really be helpful. Actually, you're gonna see that it's still totally a problem or something. By the way, you can actually start to click on here to call with him in the video. So that's all about to help you through this video.